Hey, hello guys. Welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So in this video, I'm going to introduce about what is the difference between a rotary kiln and an incineration rotary kiln. So a rotary kiln is a device used in material calcination operations. It heats the material up to high temperature to allow for oxidation of the material. It is mainly used for material processing. But for a incineration rotary kiln, it is specially designed for the treatment of waste material. So for example, for the rotary kilns, we have cement rotary kilns, limestone rotary kilns, and zinc oxide rotary kilns, and all kinds of other rotary kilns. It's for processing the material. Whereas the incineration rotary kiln is used for hazardous waste treatment. For example, we have hazardous waste, medical waste, incineration rotary kilns, and we also have sewage sludge incineration rotary kilns. This is for burning the material down to reduce its volume and to turn it into residues. So, and also the incineration rotary kiln usually is shorter. Our cement rotary kiln usually is 60 meters long, and then the ratio is 1 to 15. For example, the diameter is 5 meters, the length is 75 meters. And for the incineration rotary kiln, it's usually 15 meters. And then the incineration rotary kiln is connected to the second combustion chamber to allow for a further decompose of the materials being burnt. So yeah, basically that's the difference between a rotary kiln and an incineration rotary kiln. So thanks guys, I'll introduce about other part of our equipment.